Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Leona in Wild Rift. Leona is a formidable tank support, renowned for her powerful crowd control and ability to initiate fights. Your primary role is to protect your team's carries and disrupt the enemy backline. Focus on building items that enhance your durability, allowing you to withstand significant damage. Remember to always be ready to engage, but also know when to peel for your allies. Mastering her kit will make you a valuable asset to any team. In the early game, your goal is to secure advantages for your lane partner. Begin by activating Shield of Daybreak, your first ability to stun an enemy. Immediately follow with Zenith Blade, your third ability to dash to them, extending the crowd control. Then, cast Eclipse, your second ability for damage reduction and an area of effect burst. Remember to auto-attack after each ability to trigger her passive, Sunlight, which deals bonus magic damage when an ally attacks the marked target. This combo is crucial for successful trades. As the game progresses into the mid and late stages, Leona becomes a powerful team fight initiator. Your ultimate ability, Solar Flare, is key for engaging. Aim it at groups of enemies to stun them, creating a perfect opening for your team. After the initial engage, focus on diving the enemy backline to disrupt their high-damage champions. Simultaneously, be mindful of your own carries and be ready to peel for them, using your stuns to deter enemy assassins. Your presence can turn the tide of any major skirmish. For itemization, prioritize defensive stats to maximize Leona's tankiness. Core items often include Dead Man's Plate for movement speed and a slow, and Randuin's Omen for armor and attack speed reduction. Support items like Zeke's Convergence are excellent for boosting your attack damage carries output. For runes, Aftershock is your go-to keystone, granting significant bonus resistances after immobilizing an enemy. Additionally, Fawn of Life provides healing for your allies when you impair enemy movement, further enhancing your support capabilities. These choices ensure you are a resilient and impactful frontline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.